Did you know that more than 60% of people living in cities now manage with less than 600 square feet of space? From studio apartments to shared dorms, small spaces have become the new normal. But here's the good news, you don't need a bigger home, just smarter gadgets. Here are 12 Amazon gadgets that instantly make small spaces look bigger, work better, and feel more comfortable. Number 1, Fomapi full-size Murphy bed. What if your bed could simply disappear into the wall whenever you wanted more space? The Fomapi full-size Murphy bed does exactly that. It folds up vertically and locks neatly against the wall, freeing up your entire room for daytime use. You can transform your bedroom into a home office, a studio, or even a yoga area in seconds. The bed feels just as solid and comfortable as a regular full-size frame, and when folded, it blends into your wall like sleek furniture. For small apartments or guest rooms, it's one of the smartest investments, turning one space into two without a single renovation. Number 2, Asazoe walking pad treadmill. Can a treadmill actually fit under your couch? The Asazoe walking pad treadmill proves it can. Designed for compact living, this foldable treadmill slides effortlessly under your bed, sofa, or desk when not in use. It's quiet enough for apartments and perfect for anyone who wants to stay active while working from home. You can walk during meetings, watch TV, or listen to podcasts, all without sacrificing floor space. It's fitness that fits your life, not the other way around. Number 3, WLIV wood lift top coffee table. It looks like a normal coffee table, but this one hides a clever secret. The WLIV wood lift top coffee table features a top that lifts up and forward, turning into a mini desk for your laptop or dinner plate. Beneath the top, you'll find hidden storage for remotes, chargers, or small essentials. It's a space saver that keeps your living area tidy while doubling as your dining or working spot, ideal for apartments and studios where one piece of furniture needs to do it all. Number 4, ZZW sleeper chair. Imagine having a chair that can turn into a full bed in seconds. The ZZW sleeper chair makes it possible. During the day, it's a comfy reading chair. At night, it unfolds into a cozy single bed. It's perfect for hosting guests in a small home or taking a nap without taking over your entire room. The design is clean, compact, and fits easily into corners or beside your sofa, made for anyone who values versatility and comfort in tight spaces. Number 5, AHB 13-gallon tilt-out trash cabinet. You won't believe that this elegant cabinet actually hides your trash. The AHB tilt-out trash cabinet is a clever solution that conceals your garbage bin behind a stylish wooden front. No more exposed bins or odors ruining your kitchen's look. The top surface doubles as extra counter space, perfect for plants, coffee makers, or small decor. It keeps your kitchen neat and hygienic while blending perfectly with modern interiors. Number 6, Space Lead Slim Storage Cart. This slim storage cart fits where nothing else does, between your washer and dryer, beside the toilet, or next to the fridge. It's one of those clever gadgets that instantly make your space more organized. The cart rolls smoothly on wheels, letting you pull it out when needed and slide it back easily. You can use it for spices, cleaning supplies, snacks, or bathroom items. It's practical satisfaction at its best, small, simple, and genuinely useful. Number 7, Midea Single Reversible Door Mini Fridge. A full-size fridge fitting in half the space, that's what the Midea Mini Fridge delivers. It's compact but surprisingly spacious, with adjustable shelves, a freezer compartment, and a reversible door that lets you place it anywhere. It's quiet, energy efficient, and perfect for dorms, studios, or offices. You can store everything from snacks to drinks to small meal preps. Even though it's mini, it performs like a full-sized appliance, making it an essential piece for modern small space living. Number 8, Diomi Electric Rocker Recliner. A recliner that actually fits in a corner might sound impossible, but the Diomi Electric Rocker Recliner makes it real. Compact, yet luxurious, it offers the comfort of a full recliner in a smaller footprint. With just a button, you can recline, rock, and relax after a long day. Its slim structure fits neatly into apartments, small living rooms, or bedrooms. The upholstery is soft, durable, and easy to clean, giving you a touch of everyday luxury without overwhelming your space. Number 9, sofa armrest tray. No coffee table? No problem. The sofa armrest tray clips securely onto your couch arm and instantly transforms it into a mini table. It's perfect for holding your cup of coffee, remote, or snack bowl during your favorite show. When you're done, it folds flat and takes up almost no space. This little upgrade is perfect for anyone who values simplicity and hates clutter. Number 10, VoIP Vivii Folding Hand Truck. It might look small, but this folding hand truck can carry up to 150 pounds with ease. It's strong, lightweight, and folds completely flat when you're done using it. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or anyone who moves heavy boxes, groceries, or luggage. It slides right under your bed or behind a cabinet. Instead of struggling with awkward loads, this gadget makes moving smooth and efficient. Number 11, Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser. Turn your tiny room into a calm retreat with the Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser. It quietly releases a soothing mist of essential oils, filling your room with fresh, relaxing scents. It's great for improving air quality, reducing stress, and adding a cozy ambiance. The soft LED lighting adds a gentle glow, perfect for nighttime relaxation. Compact, quiet, and aesthetic, it's the kind of upgrade your space and mind will thank you for. Number 12, Choki Cable Management Box. Hide the mess and keep the magic with the Choki Cable Management Box. If your workspace or TV area is tangled with cords, this box instantly makes it look clean and organized. It neatly stores power strips, chargers, and cables out of sight, while keeping them easy to access. The design is sleek, modern, and blends with any interior, a small change that brings big visual satisfaction, and no more tripping over wires. Living small doesn't mean living limited. Each of these Amazon gadgets shows how design and function can make even the tiniest spaces smarter and more comfortable. From beds that fold into walls to diffusers that refresh your air, every product on this list adds real value without taking up extra space. So which gadget caught your eye first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, even a small space can feel like home when every inch works for you.